All right, everybody, how's it going? Aaron Stinner here, Stinner HQ. We are moving into our new shop, as you can see behind us, and I want to give you guys a little status update. So let's go check that out and see what's going on. So one of the best things was last Friday, all these guys were welding, heads down, getting things done all the way up to the end of their shift. By Monday morning, they were back in the shop, welding. They had maybe 30 minutes of downtime, a little bit of organization, but otherwise, we were back up and running with no downtime. So we're really stoked. So one of the biggest questions we get is, how do you guys move all of this heavy equipment? Well, we've gotten really good at it. We've moved shops a couple of times, and we're our own riggers, so we get it all done ourselves. And Sean here helped me out. He was my spotter. And we loaded up the machines. We got it done in about a day and a half. A lot of preparation work on the electrical though, so had to get all that in, plumb for argon, plumb for air. All of that took place about 3 weeks prior, and but otherwise we're ready to rip. So the biggest challenge with moving, and it has been since we brought finish in-house, is paint. So paint requires lots of coordination between the city and EPA. We're only about a half a block from the ocean, so Coastal Commission gets involved. It's a big deal. So moving the paint booth and having that downtime is difficult. It takes a lot of planning. It takes a lot of getting things set. So next week, this whole location will be where we're gonna set up all of our paint stuff. It's gonna be a nice enclosed area where everything's gonna be contamination free. So think big paint booth, our oven, and a powder coating setup kind of all in one location. Really tight and condensed, think like a kitchen. But yeah, we're just waiting. Got to get the holes in the roof, got to get all the inspectors in here to make sure we're doing anything as up to code. But by the end of next week, we should have finish ready to go in-house. All right, so after everything comes from finish, it comes into assembly. Close your eyes. This is a little messy. We're moving in, but we're almost ready to show you guys our boxing and assembly area. But we'll show you something that you're probably a little bit more interested in. So all of our complete bikes for Stinner get done in this room. So our lead mechanic, Alex Monnier, who has about 30 years of experience at this point. He and I have known each other for a really long time, but this is his dojo, if you will. So building all our complete bikes in here. Each of our bikes that are going out get binned and boxed over here on the shelf. So every customer or shop that the bike is going to goes up here. So Alex can just pull those parts, get them on the bike. He builds the bikes in here, make sure they're good to go, and then they'll go out that way to get boxed up and wait for the truck, head your way. All right, guys, here we are, new office space. One of the big improvements was everybody's gonna get their own office space and a nice quiet place to work, which was really important for the growth. There's our buddy CJ, our sales manager, and it's a nice relaxed Friday afternoon here right now. Pavel's finishing some things up on the floor. But otherwise, what's really nice is just to have this space. We're gonna have a seating area for when customers come in. You guys can come in, have a beverage, talk about bikes, maybe a little history on the wall of where we've been and how we got here. But we're really excited to have this space. It's nice to walk off the shop floor, which you just heard, come in here, just have a nice quiet place to get things done, design work, CAD work, communicating with you guys, all the fun stuff that we get to do, and have a dedicated space for it. So we're really happy. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in and checking it out. Really stoked to show you guys the shop and where it's at. We're about a little over 50% of the way there. So hopefully the next video, we're showing you guys the whole shop, all dialed in, humming and turning. And yeah, just thank you for checking in. Like and subscribe, follow along. And yeah, we'll check in soon and show you guys that final fit on the shop. Thanks.